Hello everyone, I'm here on 7th and Master Street where you find a lot of new construction. Only walking distance from Northern Liberty, Fish Town, so many nice places. Here to show you a 2-bedroom unit in one of the nicest building here. The building sits here at the corner of, I said, 7th and Master. So this is the street. You have actually you could park on both sides of the street. So there are plenty of parking. The building is here. It's a 3-story building. Yeah, it's very secure. You need to have a code to get in. I'm gonna get in. You have this intercom. I'm gonna get in and show you the inside now. Okay, going to the 3rd floor. Let's get through this door. This is the unit. Okay. As you walk in, you see this beautiful hardwood floor, very high ceiling. It's a bi-level unit. 2 of the bedrooms are upstairs. Let's go to the first place you see here on this floor. Is you have this nice floor in a bathroom, mirror. You have a shelf, vanity, your toilet, bathtub, shower combo. You also have this window for fresh air. Over there, you have the steps to the bedroom. Next to the bathroom, you have washing machine, a stacked up dryer. Washing machine and dryer. Here is your kitchen. In your kitchen you have your oven, built-in microwave, refrigerator, cabinet space, plenty of cabinet space. You also have these windows, 2 windows for a natural light. This is the space, your living space. We are doing some cleaning here. Okay. Next, I will take you to the upstairs bedrooms. This is the space from this angle. All right, going to the 2nd level. You have a window for a natural light. Marble floor steps. On the top, you have a carpet. Keep your place warm. You have the first closet space here on a 2nd level. And here is your 1st bedroom. Carpet floor. This is your closet space. This is a space. Next is a master bedroom, a primary bedroom here. You have 2 windows. You be looking out to 7th Street. This one has a bigger closet space. It's I should say wider. This is the space. All right, the place has central heat and air, so it's comfortable throughout the year. hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Oh, lastly, I would like to just add, you also have attic space up there for storage. All right, this is what 1405 South 7th Street Unit 3 looks like. I thank you for watching. Bye.